Setting realistic goals for your meditation practice. Welcome to our guide on setting realistic goals in your journey to a regular meditation practice. Whether you are just starting out or looking to deepen your existing routine, setting achievable goals can significantly enhance your experience and success. Let's dive into how you can set practical targets that make meditation a rewarding part of your life. Understanding the importance of realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is crucial because it helps you stay motivated and avoid feeling overwhelmed. It's about finding a balance that works for you, ensuring that your meditation practice enriches your life rather than becoming another source of stress. How to set realistic meditation goals? 1. Start small. If you are new to meditation, begin with just a few minutes each day. Gradually increase your time as you get more comfortable with the practice. For example, start with 5 minutes daily and after a week aim for 10 minutes. 2. Define clear objectives. Think about what you want to achieve with your meditation. Is it to reduce stress, improve concentration, sleep better, or maybe cultivate a profound inner peace and joy? Having a clear purpose can guide your practice and help you measure your progress. 3. Be specific. Instead of setting a vague goal like meditate more, set specific targets such as meditate for 10 minutes every morning before breakfast. Specific goals are easier to follow and keep track of. 4. Be patient and flexible. Some days meditation will feel easier than others. If you miss a day or find it difficult to focus, don't be too hard on yourself. Adjust your goals as needed and recognize that consistency over perfection is key. 5. Keep a journal. Writing down your experiences can be a helpful way to track your progress. Note what works, what doesn't, and how you feel before and after meditating. This can provide valuable insights into how you adjust your practice to better meet your needs. Conclusion. Setting realistic goals for your meditation practice is a vital step toward making it a sustainable part of your daily routine. Remember, the aim of setting goals is not just to achieve them, but to enhance the overall quality of your meditation experience. By starting small, being specific, and allowing flexibility in your approach, you are more likely to develop a fulfilling and lasting practice. Keep your goals in sight and enjoy the journey of growing more mindful and grounded each day. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for success in your meditation practice, gradually building a habit that enhances your mental clarity and emotional resilience.